Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I set up our right hand fence and calibrate it to our track saw. So with the right hand fence, it comes with two fence dogs, the right hand fence extrusion itself laser marked with either metric, imperial or dual scale. It also comes with a flag stop. The use for the right hand fence is twofold really. It can be used for doing narrow cuts on the wayside of your track, and it can also be support for when you're doing long pieces of material. So this is how I'm going to set it up. So I place the two fence dogs in the inline holes here, in line with our fence system here, and I've still got movement here. So what I'm going to do is use one of our 20mm setup blocks. You can find these on our website. And as I've already calibrated this, I know my underrail support is perfectly in line. So what I need to do now is I'm going to grab my track saw. I'm going to place the saw down so we can measure from the saw blade. Okay, so with the track saw in place, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower this down, but just make sure that it's not powered on or anything like that. I'm going to lower that down there. I'm going to place my setup block there along the teeth of the blade, slide this up, and then lock it down here. And then I can remove that block. And that now is calibrated at the 20mm that we said. So to just double check, I'm going to place the flag stop in here. And I'm going to set it to the 75mm. So what I've done here is use the top scale on this one because this is the one that's set from 20mm, where the bottom one is set from 0. And then place that there at the 20mm. And using another known size, double check it here, place it in there, and that should be no wobble whatsoever. So that's there now at 75mm. And there you go, that's how I set up our right hand fence.